Hey, can you hear me?
Привет. Ты меня слышишь?
How are you doing today?
Как вы сегодня?
Hey guys, welcome back to HelloVSTV. Today we are checking out something really cool that I'm really interested in, the iFLYTEK AI Translation Earbuds. Yes, that's correct. This is a real-time AI translation system designed for conversations. And yes, it actually works. The concept is very simple. Each person wears one earbud, and as you speak, the system translates your voice almost instantly into the other language. What surprised me the most is how natural it feels. There is very little delay, but the conversation flows almost like you are speaking the same language. This is powered by AI speech recognition and simultaneous interpretation, and it's designed to maintain accuracy even in noisy environments. The earbuds use a mix of traditional microphones and bone conduction sensors, which helps isolate your voice and reduce background noise. So even in places like events, meetings, or busy streets, it still performs reliably. And in terms of accuracy, it's claimed to reach up to around 97 to 98%, which is actually very impressive for real-time translation. About the features, you get multiple translation modes, face-to-face conversation mode, phone call translation, and even live interpretation for meetings or lectures. The earbuds also support up to 60 languages, which makes them extremely useful for travelers, international business, and communication around the world. Plus, this app gives you real-time transcripts, so you can actually see what's being said and translate at the same time. There is also an AI assistant built in, so you can ask questions, get summaries, or even use it for productivity tasks. Design-wise, they are open earbuds and very comfortable to wear. They don't fully block your ears, which is actually great for long sessions and comfort. You can wear them for hours without fatigue and still stay aware of your environment. Battery life is also solid, around 6 hours for translation and up to 21 plus hours with the case. And yes, you can still use them as normal earbuds for music and calls. Hey, can you hear me?
Привет. Ты меня слышишь?
How are you doing today?
Как вы сегодня?
What language do you speak?
На каком языке вы говорите?
So who is this for? If you travel, work internationally, or collaborate with people from different countries, this is extremely useful. Today I went to gym and then returned back to the studio.
Сегодня я сходил в спортзал, а затем вернулся в студию.
So overall, the iFLYTEK AI Translation Earbuds are not just innovative, they are also practical device to use. This is all about this product. I hope you enjoyed this, guys, and I will leave their link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.